Alright, so this video is going to be phase 2 of trying to hit that front tail stall revert. Last time we were out here, we got the tail stall frontside revert, so that's the end of the trick. So today, we're going to be trying frontside tail stall. I already know how to do frontside ollie, frontside disaster, so I feel a frontside tail stall is going to be a nice, natural next step. Obviously, future goals will be to do frontside tail slide to actually move it and then get the revert in as well. But let's get started with some warm-up. We'll try some frontside ollies, some frontside 5-0s, and then start trying the tail stall. Now we're going to try a couple 5-0 stalls to tail stalls just to get a feel for how we should shift our weight to the top of the ramp. Then we're going to go for it. Well, that one took a lot more work than I thought. Felt like with frontside ollies, frontside disasters, I'd get it pretty quick. I was already thinking ahead to, okay, I'm gonna practice tail slides and reverts. And I find that normally with tricks that I think that I am gonna get really quick, takes me a long time. So I set a deadline for myself of I'm not gonna turn the lights on, not gonna go past when the sun goes down, and it's pretty much gone. So that was one of my last attempts. Wasn't the prettiest frontside tail stall. This is a trick I'm definitely gonna have to dedicate another session to, but feels good to get at least one, build a foundation that I can build upon next time. Felt good to get it. We're gonna next time work on getting it more consistently, maybe throwing a revert at the end. Till then, see you guys next time.